One of the most significant trends to emerge in the last 20 years has been an amalgamation of new product development approaches, collectively called Agile. From a management standpoint, all Agile techniques share three core principles: fast development, the efficient processing of changes, and ongoing customer validation. These principles apply to all product development projects, hardware and software alike, although their implementation in software, in particular online software, is by far the easiest. That's where Agile has found its greatest support. Why does Agile exist? It exists because of the inevitability of changes. In traditional development models, changes, notably those late in the cycle, are highly disruptive, but they're surprisingly common. Research shows that up to half of all development work is repeated. Globally, firms waste billions. Agile development models embrace change. In the Agile mindset, pretending that changes won't happen is naive and expensive. You're simply asking for trouble. Why do changes happen? Certainly, they can happen for hundreds of reasons, but if you have smart, competent, and dedicated team members, then changes happen because of unforeseen factors that are external to the team. They come from senior management, they're caused by competitive action, or they come from customers. Customer input is the most difficult to manage, with the most serious implications. After all, most products fail simply because customers don't want them. It's for this reason that Agile methodologies deliberately search out customer feedback on a regular basis. The goal is to maintain tight alignment between products and customers as things progress. In theory, by validating customer input over and over, you can say goodbye to late-stage rework and delayed timelines. But the theory often breaks down. Customers rarely spell out what you need to know. They can provide input, but it can be inconsistent and confusing. It's up to you to decide what it means. And if you want to move fast, this metamorphosis from input to action has to happen real time. Translating input into action, especially the kind that leads to innovation and differentiation, requires marketing skills. In fact, that's one of the fundamental roles of marketing. Innovation is also highly dependent on creativity. Technically trained development teams fall short on both fronts. How do you fix that? Utilizing strong marketing departments is an obvious answer, but they have to be fully integrated in order to keep the desired cadence of Agile development. Another way to create considerable alignment leverage, whether a strong marketing department is present or not, is to provide some training in marketing principles and creative problem solving directly to engineers. It's a way to make sure that each customer contact point is as productive as possible. Sound crazy? Remember David Packer's counsel: marketing is way too important to be left to marketers. This discussion is from a new book called Anticipate: The Architecture of Small Team Innovation and Product Success, now available at Amazon. More information can be found at www.browncompany.com.